Peeps, it's time for our last LHL game of the day. And I'll tell you what, Victoria's getting a little fancy up in here. Because instead of playing their games at Save on Foods Memorial Center where they're supposed to play, you know, it's their home arena. There goes Dog again. Well, wait a minute. Nah, I'm kidding. We're just going to go ahead and go. As I was saying, they decided to play their home playoff games at Rogers Arena. How about that? A little spoiled up in here. I mean, Rogers Arena. Players are making their final preparations. They're checking their skates, making sure they're sharp, which is a good thing to do before games. 18,142 fans have packed Rogers Arena, by far the largest crowd in Victoria Millionaires history. I mean, it's got to be, right? Anyways, because this isn't the Millionaires' home arena, the lights are not purple tonight. I think they're just going to be red. We'll see. Anyways, they've also gotten fancy with their goal song, too. I'm sure you can guess what it'll be. Anyways, 7:46 p.m. We are underway here in Vancouver. Whitney with it. Here in Game 1 of this best-of-3 series. Turns it over. Shot missed the net. Saskatoon finished 7-9. Victoria 11-3-2. I think this will be pretty chalk. Victoria swept the season series. So Victoria did sweep the season series. They won all 4 games in the season series. If we go ahead and go back and look, they won 5-4 the first time, 6-3 the second time, 5-3 the third time, and 8-6 the fourth time. So yeah, we're thinking that this will be pretty chalk and it'll be a sweep. But who knows? Saskatoon is pretty sneaky, so I think they could potentially make it close, but in the end, I think it'll be a 2-game sweep. I think so too. I think the 3 other series, I think could go 3, and I think both of the first 3 series I think both of those are going to go 3. I think so too. Atlanta, Long Island could go 3, and this one's going to be a sweep. Victoria's just too good, and David Perron has the puck lodged in his equipment. He gets it out of there. Whitney's shot saved by Shields. Sharp puts it on goal, nothing. Hossa with it. Back to Perron. He fires wide. That one was not even close. Turn over to Hossa. Hossa's blocked. Gets it back. Another chance. Shields save. Rebound score! 1-0 Millionaires. Right through the 5-hole. It's David Perron. And it's 1-0. Holiday. It's Holiday. This is amazing. We're just going to let you listen. Wow. How about that? Holiday being used as a goal song for the first time ever in the LHL. Oh, they score again! From distance, it's Whitney. 2-0 Millionaires. Ray Whitney kind of just threw it on goal from distance, and he finds the back of the net. Quick ones for the Millionaires here in Vancouver, and 18,000 screaming fans. Oh my goodness. They got to announce both goals. Victoria goal, his first of the playoffs. Scored by number 13, Ray Whitney. Time of the goal, 58 seconds of the first period. Whitney, his first of the playoffs at 58 seconds. Ka-ching! You give it away, a chance, shot, save, rebound, missed the net. Hossa to Whitney again. Whitney shoots a stop. 2-0 Victoria here early, unlike last game where it took a while for Chicago to get that 2-goal lead. Took about a period and a half. Nice head save by Reimer. Perron throws it towards the net. He missed. Minute 24 for the period. Shot goalpost. They get it back, however. Another chance. Reimer makes another save. Puck's in the corner and thrown up ahead to Whitney, who shoots. He flies out of bounds in the act of shooting the puck. And oh, there goes the goalie, Shields. This is going to be an open net. They have to score here. Shields with it to the middle. Megan fires a save. Perron with the open net scores. It's 3-0 Millionaires. I mean, it was a guarantee. Shields flies out of bounds. It's very rare for our goalie to fly out. This was one of those occasions. David Perron with his second of the playoffs. And I think Saskatoon needs to regroup. There's still a minute left in this period. And wrong color. There we go. Millionaires goal. His second of the playoffs. Scored by number 57, David Perron. No goal on the play. Time of the goal is 1 minute and 58 seconds of the first period. Perron is second of the playoffs at 1:58. They called no goal, and they're not going to go back and review it. I don't know why. They must be really confident in the fact. They didn't see what happened. Wow, they're not even going to review it. Face-off is won. It hits the boards and goes in again. You see, that one was right. Now you can't go back. The shot is turned away. Once you face off after a questionable play, you can't go back. Hossa with the big block on his own guy, Perron. A shot wide. Now another chance for Whitney. He can't put it in. Perron with it again. From distance, a save is made. Deflected into the front. Sharp, a shot, nothing. Whitney. From distance again. This time not even close. Sharp. Or Megan, a shot in the middle and a save. Perron, looking for the first period. Hat trick, he goes offside. Okpozo's open, he shoots. It's not even, went a little high. 20 seconds left in the period. It's 3-0 Victoria. What's that? Perron from distance, he goes offside again. Sharp shoots the save. They put it back in the corner. And I'll tell you what, Dan Price is not very happy with Perron right now. Go stay outside, you. And we'll censor that for you guys with our advanced, ahead of time, swear-knowing equipment. Whitney across to Perron. He shoots. He gets it back, however. Whitney, one last chance on goal, a save. What a period for the Millionaires. They're up 3-0 after one. We are back in Vancouver for the start of period number 2. We are underway. Puck's on the line. Still on the line. Picked up Perron's shot, a save. Here's Sharp with it. He fires. Turned away by Reimer. Hossa turns and shoots. Big block by Megan that time. Rebound chance. Perron. He should have waited a little bit, then shot it. That puck deflects off Sharp and out of bounds, and the clock didn't stop. We have at least one of those incidents per game. I'm tired of it. Anyways, face-off one. Perron, a shot, save across, and it's turned over. Reimer a stop. Nice pass to Hossa. He's stopped. Rebound over the net. Ray Whitney shoots it too high that time. Perron with it. It's on the line. Kept out of there by Reimer. Close call once again. Threw it across. A save. Perron gave it to Whitney. A chance. No. Another turnover. Here's Megan. Another turnover. Perron shot it over the net again. Shot it out of bounds that time. Still 3-0 Millionaires. We'll see if Saskatoon can get something going here. Well, right now it's on the line. Now it's a shot by Okpozo, who now slides out of position. Perron can't take advantage. Okpozo back to where he should be. Whitney hits the post. Hossa's shot. Another save. Megan hits the post. And a turnover. Missed the net. And now Sharp was sideways. And now an awkward turnover to Megan, and a stop is made. Still 3-0. Out of bounds goes Perron. No, Whitney. Hossa hits the post. Rebound blocked. Shields was not ready. And they score again. It's 4-0. This time it's Hossa. It is 4-0. Hossa with the goal. And it's 4-0. Nothing much else to say. Victoria Millionaires goal, his first of the playoffs, scored by number 69, Marian Hossa. Time of the goal is 1:22 of the second period. Hossa's first of the playoffs at 1:22. Sharp shoots, a save. Megan in the middle. Moves over, missed the net that time. Now gave it up. Whitney's shot, nothing. Hossa in the middle again. He shoots. Again, and Perron, I don't know what happened there, but that shot wasn't even close. I mean, if you want to put it on goal, you got to be better than David Perron. Man, he sucks. He's got 2 goals for his team. I don't know what you're saying. You're a horrible analyst. Now Whitney turns and shoots. Shields another save. Now puck's in the middle. Drop back pass. Back to Sharp. Reimer makes another save. Another save. Rebound. No. Okposo turns and shoots, and that is in. He scores. Kyle Okposo has got his team on the scoreboard. It's 4-1. Funny enough, I was about to say something about a shutout. You didn't jinx it today. No, I did not. Okposo just gets a nice pass from Sharp, spins and fires it past James Reimer. He allows his first one of the game. It's 4-1. Just like that. Saskatoon goal was first of the playoffs. Score number 21, Kyle Okposo. Time of the goal, 1:55 of the second period. Okposo's first of the playoffs at 1:55. Megan drops it back to Sharp. Nice puck movement there by Saskatoon. Now up ahead, Hossa's turned away. And now Whitney missed the net. Sharp. Offside, score! On the delayed offside, it's 5-1. This one seems like it's over, folks. Victoria's the better team. Ray Whitney with a second. And it's 5-1. The first blowout of the playoffs. I mean, you know, Sharp goes offside. Whitney's got open space. He puts it in. No mistake. Victoria goal! His second of the playoffs. Scored by number 13, Ray Whitney. Time of the goal is 2:19 of the second period. Whitney's second of the playoffs at 2:19. 27 seconds for the period. Shot goalpost. Victoria has dominated most of the way here. I mean, we said it would probably be a sweep. I mean, looking at this game, we're probably going to be right. Okposo turns and fires a save. Perron with it. Threw it away. A chance. Offside he goes again. And Sharp was smart enough to not shoot it. And he just shot it. I don't know what he was doing. I wonder if Saskatoon's frustrated being down by this much in the second period. Perron tried to throw it on the net. Epically failed. Nice bounce pass. Okposo scores with 8 seconds to go in the second. The puck bounced off of Hossa. And Okposo's got his second of the period. It's 5-2. See Kyle Okposo just kind of with the long stretch pass. Hossa intercepts it, but then kind of lost control of it. And Okposo able to obtain that rebound and fire it in off the back of Reimer. And it initially hit the crossbar, then it hit the back of Reimer and went in. And with 8 seconds left, it's now just 5-2. Saskatoon goal is second of the playoffs. Score number 21, Kyle Okposo. Time of the goal was 2:52 of the second period. Okposo's second of the playoffs at 2:52. That's the end of the second period with a score of Victoria 5, Saskatoon 2. Back for period number 3. The action begins now. A long shot from Okposo trying to get his third of the game. And that puck takes a bounce into the corner where Perron will just fire one. Victoria leads by 3. We'll see if they can hang on to that lead. Perron throws it behind Whitney. Nice pass to Hossa. He stopped. Sharp with it. He turns and shoots out of bounds. He goes. Whitney with some space. He fires. Stop. Rebound. Score! That's what happens when you give the Millionaires space to do something. The red light's a little delayed. There we go. Perron on the rebound at 6-2. That's the hat-trick goal for David. The first hat-trick in Rogers Arena in the LHL. It's another one of those where I hit the crossbar in the back of the goalie and went in. Millionaires goal! His third of the playoffs. Scored by number 57, David Perron. Time of the goal, 23 seconds of the third period. Perron's third of the playoffs at 23 seconds. But then just like that, Steve Shields gets a goal on the deflection and it's 6-3. This happens, I swear it happens every time I'm trying to make an announcement. So Saskatoon trying to stay in it. It's Steve Shields with his first of the playoffs at 30 seconds. Saskatoon goal is first of the playoffs, scored by number 31, Steve Shields. Time of the goal is 30 seconds of the third period. Shields first of the playoffs at 30 seconds. Raposo, a shot save, got it back to the middle, and it took a weird bounce. It goes into the corner where Whitney gets a hold of it and shoots a save. Nice stop again. Puck's on the line. Picked up by the Blizzard. Another save is made. Thrown to the other side. Turnover, Raposo. Post to Perron. He shoots. Turned away by Shields. Got it out. Megan has it turned away by Reimer. Nice pass. Whitney, another big shot. Another save is made. Sharp puts it on nothing. Perron looking for his fourth. Can't get it. You know, I mean, to their credit, Saskatoon's trying to get back into it, but I think Victoria's just too good. I mean, especially in this building, this setting. Out of bounds goes Perron, but that's the thing. And a big shot, another save. Turned over, Okposo, goal post. Got it back, however, threw it away. Whitney had it deflected on goal by Megan. That was almost an own goal. Megan's shot goes into the corner. Marion Hossa there to retrieve it. Whitney gave it back to Hossa, who shoots a save. 90 seconds left. I think Victoria's going to have this one in the bag. Another turnover by Megan. Sharp threw it on goal. It was deflected twice. Hossa, a chance. Another save, and I think it's time-killing time. Oh, he had an open net. Sharp had an open net, or it was like Pozo that had the open net. Megan threw it on, nothing. We're down to a minute to go. Time's starting to run bleak. Sharp, 2 saves. Threw it across, like Pozo not even close. And an own goal is scored. Kyle Pozo's going to get credit, and Saskatoon to their credit, trying to stay in this. It's 6-4. An own goal for the second time in a row. It is now just 6-4, and Okposo's got a hat trick. And we'll hear the call. Saskatoon goal is third of the playoffs, scored by number 21, Kyle Okposo. Time of the goal is 2:04 of the third period. Okposo's third of the playoffs at 2:04. Okposo, another shot save. Sharp gets the turnover. Reimer has it deflected. Turnover again. You got to be more responsible with the puck. Sharp, nice stop again. Whitney in the corner with it. That nearly went off again. Perron has 3 already. Fires another one to save. They're not pulling the goaltender. I think you got to do that soon. I don't know if they will. They're not going to pull the goalie. They haven't pulled him yet, and I don't think they're going to do it at all. Turnover. It wasn't a turnover. I don't know what that was. Whoa, what was that garbage? And I think Victoria has this one in the bag. They'll take game 1 here in Vancouver, not Victoria. Sharp with it. He shoots a save. He got it back. 7 seconds left. one last chance, and they score again with Okposo. Again, Saskatoon is just trying to kill him now, even though it's already too late. That's his 4th of the playoffs. His 4th of the game, yet they're going to lose 6-5. I think Victoria needs to do better here in this third period. Saskatoon goal is 4th of the playoff. Score number 21, Kyle Okposo. Time of the goal was 2:54 of the third period. Saskatoon goal 21, Okposo, 2:54 of the third. Victoria wins it by a final of 6-5. And I'll tell you what, Saskatoon made a great effort to push back. Victoria takes game 1 by 1 goal when I thought it was going to be a blowout. Reimer gets the win. And woo! The final score tonight, your Victoria Millionaires 6, the Saskatoon Blizzard 5. So the Blizzard find a way to push back into it, but it just was not enough. The Millionaires are just too good. Final score 6-5. Thank you for watching.